Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change the digitizer. As you see, my sprocket in the Modecom freetab 77001. So let's get started. You need a fresh new digitizer. I have it with a glue, so it will be easier to install. Get back the back cover from the tab. Careful with the speaker. Okay. And now let's see. We don't need to unscrew the screw from the motherboard. We only need to pull back this digitizer here. Let's see one more time. Yeah, it is, yes, as you see. It's the flex to the digitizer. And now we need to heat the digitizer by the hairdryer. Okay, it's hot. Be careful with the LCD. Don't damage it. Only need to take off the digitizer without the LCD. Okay, I got it. Go into the trash and let's clean this mess. Clean the LCD too. With the rest of the glass. I'm gonna check the LCD. LCD is good. It's a wonderful color. It's an IPS, I think. Very, very good LCD. Now we need some alcohol to clean the frame here. Okay. And let's clean the frame. Okay, it's cleared. Now clean the rest of the glue. Okay, it's done. And now prepare to install the digitizer. Okay, and prepare the 3M tape. Funny, it has the match here, as you see, but it doesn't see here. Anyway, I hope this digitizer will work. Okay, let's take a look. We have the dust here. Let's use the other no, it's not good. The yellow one is better. We should take all the dust. It's very, very important. Okay, I think it's enough. And now with the one, careful man, and install. Not at all, because we need to test it before run. So put the flex in, close it, and let's take test. Okay, it's work. It's work fine. So we can pull it to the frame. And prepare to install the back cover, which we have here. Enter the camera. Install the yellow tape. I have a fresh here tape. Okay. Here is the button from volume. And now we are ready to install. Speaker. Be sure to connect the button the left side. Okay, they are on place. And voila, all operation is done. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey!